It was absolutely epic. So glad we got to come. This is one of my favorite buildings of all time. Day six vacation, day 3 Rome. We have the Forum offshore right side. We're rushing to get to our tour of the Colosseum this morning to see one of my favorite buildings in Rome for sure. Celeste, anything?
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Wait, I like that. Buongiorno. This is Joey from day 6 of the vacation, day 3 in Rome. We're doing our tour of the Forum and Colosseum area. Quick commentary, kind of amazing. This road is from the 1st century BC that we're walking on right now. Absolutely incredible. So this is the Palatium, or Palatine Hill, where Rome was founded. We're leaving the Forum and the Palatine Hill and heading over toward the Colosseum now. Crazy. There it is. Alright, so we're in front of the gates here, and you can see there's a Roman numeral on top of each one. LII, yeah, it's like the gates at Beaver Stadium or any kind of sports stadium. They all have gates. That's wild. All right, so we're going through the Senator's Gate now, VIP access. Kind of stupid, but sitting here just enjoying this view of the Colosseum amphitheater, and I'm so psyched to go home and watch Gladiator again because I haven't watched it like 5 or 10 years. Stupid, but I'm super excited. This place is absolutely incredible. A couple of the amazing facts that I'm picking up while we're on this tour is this amphitheater holds about 55 to 80,000 people back in this day. And the gladiators used to train for about 2 years before they had service in the amphitheater for 5 years. And they would decide after that if they would continue in the Colosseum, well, the amphitheater, or if they would, I guess, retire. All right, one final view from the Colosseum, then we're heading off to our Pantheon tour today. Quick pizza stop here at Colosseum and Pantheon. I'm gonna try it out here. We're on our way to the Pantheon tour. So these are the drainage holes for when it rains. This is actually where Raphael is buried, the artist. absolutely epic. So glad we got to come. This is one of my favorite buildings of all time. So neat to be in here in this space. 40 meters, what was it, 40.3 meters high, I believe, and round. But anyway, we are heading back to get a nap and then further shoot. There you go. It also blows my mind that these columns are literally one giant piece of granite. How do you get that? And then how do you get that here from, like, I think it was Africa, Northern Africa, Egypt or something like that? Absolutely insane. Bye, Pantheon. Arrivederci. We got lined right around here where this fountain is in the restaurant. It's curled around a little longer. It only took like 10 minutes to get in. It was really easy. We did a guided tour, which was 25 euro. Not too bad. You could go in there by yourself and not have a guided tour, and it would still be good.
Like audio guides.
Yeah, they have audio guides, and then you have a tour guide that kind of speaks and you hear them. I would say it's worth it. You get a lot more history out of it. It's pretty neat. And it's only 25 euro. So, and that's it. We gotta go this way. Okay, we are on our photo shoot with Roberta out here by the Colosseum. Photo shoot over. Roberta was fantastic. We're gonna take it out with some images from our shoot now.
Ciao.
Ciao for now.
Passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Welcome to Florence. Doing a little bit of a wine tasting here. Check out these views. A wine vending machine.
Oh my god. This is so cool.
There you go.